Hello, the second lecture will cover the examples of serif and sans serif fonts. I realized that the previous videos were longer than 5 minutes, so I tried to keep it as concise as possible in this lecture. So the first, let's explore the types of serif font styles. So the first type is old style, originating from the 15th century Gutenberg typefaces. It looks similar to handwritten style with a minimal contrast between vertical and horizontal strokes. It also has an inclined axis and resembling the handwritten text. This typeface is generally well readable to everyone. Next is a transitional style, which emerged during the transitional era from old to modern serif forms in the 18th and 19th centuries. It means bridging the old style and modern styles. Unlike the modern style, old style, it has greater contrast between the vertical and horizontal strokes and the mixture of the inclines and vertical, diagonal and vertical axes. This typeface, this font style is also suitable for body text with generally high readability. The third one is Didon style, which emerged in the late 18th century. It shows a strong contrast between the horizontal and vertical strokes with a very thin and sharp serif. It may have a slightly low legibility, but it is often used in the luxury or fashion magazine titles because of its elegance atmosphere. The next one is a sans serif style. The first one is a grotesque. It emerged from 19th to 20th century. In this century, sans serif fonts were begun to formally defined. It influenced by the Didon style and signage at the time, and also it features a balanced uppercase and lowercase. For your information, uppercase means protruded parts above the baseline, and lowercase means the vice versa. And next, following that is the neo-grotesque style. It originated in Switzerland. It is also a more modernly refined version of the grotesque style, providing a visually stable structure. So it's widely used as a body text typeface. It is also popular choice for posters or various signages. Lastly, it's geometric style. It derived from the geometric shapes, as its name suggests. Due to its unique forms, it may have low legibility and low space utilization, but it's rather commonly used as a title typeface than the body text. It is frequently used in titles for IT or sports brand context, sports brands, which demand high techniques. So this concludes the second lecture. And during the meeting on Friday, February 2nd, there will be a brief assessment of the pre-lecture contents and a simple experience of TBL. Following that, we will provide an explanation and discussion of implementing TBL and FL methodology in the PRIME project. Thank you.